Morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. SPY is looking a little bit better than yesterday during the pre-market, but it's still looking very choppy in my opinion. And yeah, let's see how the market wants to perform. Like we are just back above 130 for good, apparently. So we are printing at 636. Sorry, I keep saying 130, and it's 636, 636 for a SPY. Around the number there, like I know it's about 62 cents, but like yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to check the news. Today we have continued jobless claims, unit labor cost, non-farm productivity quarter to quarter, and initial jobless claims. That all that came out at 8:30. That technically came out higher. The actual was 226,000. The previous was 218,000. And the consensus was even lower, a little bit lower than the actual number, which was 221,000. So yeah, so we're gonna have consumer inflation expectation at 11. That I think is gonna be a little bit more relevant on the condition under the conditions that we are, as most of the people want to know if the consumer is gonna be paying for those tariff inflation things. So we're gonna just wait for that and see what's going to happen. But watch out for 11. Like that, the rating on the importance of that news is low, but due to
In
the
these
market
conditions,
conditions, I would be
exactly. I
expecting
agree
it
with
to
you.
move it a little bit more. So Marie, how are you doing
I
today?
agree with you. I am doing a really good. It's a beautiful Thursday. Back at trading and wake up to open the computer and the trades I kept
And
overnight.
Marie doesn't have to work today. She
Yeah,
already
went
did.
cha-ching. So yeah, I'm quite. It's quite a nice surprise. A nice surprise.
That's,
Yeah.
very cool.
Yeah, need a little bit more sleep, but besides that, we're all good. I think we all do. And you?
Yeah,
How
the
are
same
you
here.
doing?
Like, trying to have a healthy day. I have been drinking less coffee today, and less coffee. Like, I didn't drink my coffee. This is my first cup of coffee. Normally, by the time that Marie get here, I already have one coffee. But yeah, so keeping it quiet and trying to have a healthy day,
I
and
like that.
yeah, everything going good, I think, and that's well, I think yeah, everything is
You think?
yeah, everything is going there. So yeah, but yeah, let's see. I say I want to have the time. Like we have another 7 to 6 minutes for the open. I would like to have my orders set up, or at least a couple ideas of where we are trying to print. Like right now, I see INTC having a big size at 1937. So I'm gonna just drop off 1937 as a line here. That's the previous low I see. Okay. So I need the bounce from there.
Yeah. I've got an
So-
order at 1950.
I see.
It's not a full size, but
Okay, so yeah, you can keep
because
talking.
1950 seems to show up on only one of the two tapes. And though I agree with it, it's not a full size, so I'll be able to survive the 1937.
Yeah. I was telling Marie that I saw in Bloomberg. I don't know how much of this is true, but probably people watching or Marie can later listen to that. Apparently, Trump is saying that the INTC CEO is terrible, that he's supposed to be resigning, or there is no other solution, he's saying, actually, if I'm not mistaken. So, but yeah, like, what we take from that is like, what do you say about, yeah, like, it's never good when politicians or presidents are telling individual companies, like single companies, what to do with their business, like yeah, whatever it is, like it's very tricky there, but we're gonna have to keep it nimble and see what is going to happen with INTC. If I'm not mistaken, they were reporting earnings yesterday and they missed it, right? Yeah, okay, so but they have a long time doing like really questionable in their performance. But yeah, so let's see. I don't see anything on Nvidia that I can say that I like right now. Uh, like yeah, it's looking a little bit extended toward the upside, but it bounced quite well there. So let's see. Yeah, Nvidia like really bouncing very nice from the 181, 32, something like that. So, but as I say, I have no sizes that I can really say. Well, maybe 180. Let's see. But
I can't find in.
yeah, that's very far
Okay,
away.
yeah.
Very far away. So, now what about PLTR?
Okay, so yes, it is true.
Okay.
And it's because the CEO has ties to China.
Okay. Nova Nordic is trading. Nova Nordic call that ticket, I think. NVO.
Yeah, so we've got NVO, and NVO right now, if I'm not mistaken, it's not only second in volume, but second in RVOL. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Only LLI, Eli Lilly, that's ahead. And that's it. And INTC
It's going
is
down,
just
actually.
kaboom into volume as well. So what they he commented on INTC, that's top volume right now, is that the CEO should resign because they've got really close ties to China. So because he has a connection to China, he should leave. Like, who the heck does he think he is?
The president. He actually is the president.
Yeah.
I guess you hereditate that type of power when you are the president.
Incredible. So I've got several orders in. I got my first one, which was QBTS. Perfect. Look at this. Went in at 1650. Poof. So that was great. So right now I've got QBTS. But for me, QBTS, you remember the number of shares I usually take. Did you see this?
Yeah.
Right? So it was just like they say, wetting my toe and seeing how it goes because we're still not open. So I've got an order for QBTS. I had an order, and this one here. Yeah, I've got INTC at 1950, and I got Ionic. And what's the price of my Ionic? Oh, okay. Ionic is at 38. So these three are looking really good. I like the unbalances. I really like, but I think that we'll see what happens to Ionic at the VWAP. Could be that it doesn't get me at all. But right now there seems to be a lot of interest as well in Ionic. Yeah. So these are the three that right now I'm looking at.
Okay, I will be looking at NVIDIA, PLTR, AMD, and that's it for now. INTC, I'm looking at it too.
Possibly Joby.
Yeah, Joby is
Joby. Sorry.
quite high too, but this, yes, percentage-wise very low.
Have
Good luck,
fun.
everybody. Have fun. Let's see what this market wants to do. 179, 180, 180, 180. NVIDIA is 180 probably.
Okay, so we've got SPY that really is pulling by. See, INTC seems to want to go. Yep, went way ahead. In 1950, I've been trying to get that 1950, seems to be forever. It doesn't seem to want to get there. We will see. Okay, so QBTS is coming back, which I really, really like because I've got another.
I had a short idea and I am short right now on NVDA.
Joby, dang it. It never got my order. And look at it fly, fly, little bird. Oy. Let's see if I can't go in on a pullback here. What does the tape look like?
Very important to keep eyes on that tape on NVIDIA.
Let's take a small one. Wow, Palantir is going to 179. So 179, and that's really close to the PCL. So this could be very, very interesting. I'm just looking at INTC. That's funny. Okay, so it's reacting to the PCL right now for INTC.
Yeah, I'm gonna be out of. I'm gonna be out of NVDA. I'm gonna be looking long.
You're going to be looking what?
Long.
Okay.
Pretty cool stuff going on here. Okay, I got some on NVDA. We're gonna have to let it print whatever it wants to do. If it goes to 850, I'm gonna add more. But I don't think it's gonna go there like that. There we go.
What do I put as a stop loss on you? No, lower than that. I'm not adding more than that to you.
I have an order to add a little bit more to this NVDA. That tape is clearly tilted toward the upside.
Okay, so we've got some pullback on SPY. Really slow though. Really, 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 really slow. Oh, you know what? Do I really want you to
Really,
get me
really
out?
slow.
Muy, 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 muy lento. We need patience. We need patience. What the heck is wrong with you?
Aye, aye, aye. Oh, okay, that's not the week. I got you.
Yeah. I don't like the price.
Please don't go. Don't go.
Okay, so, wow, what a candle on the opening for Spy.
Please don't go. Mm-mm.
I'm begging you to stay.
Please don't go.
Wow, let's go. Okay, so the QBTS really was a good call. So when I saw that it was moving, you know what, let's break even. Not that but 1650 went in. I added at the VWAP, actually at the anchor VWAP, not even at the VWAP. It's printing, same with Joby. Obviously good price. People are saying yes to that. Let's go. 50 cents in the money for QBTS.
Let's go higher.
Let's go higher. Okay, so 1760 for QBTS. Definitely the PCL. We've got some big numbers there. Oh, what a wick.
I'll be back. Just give me a second. All right, people, we are back, and Marie's gonna ring, boom.
That's
Here
my
comes
first.
the money, 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 money.
Chala, chala. So that's my first partial on BTS.
Pretty good, Marie. Pretty good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Don't go. Please don't go.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I like what I see every morning lately on those but many stocks. Like I mean, even stocks that they are not like the Max 7 or anything like that. Look at that beautiful volume here. Like every day we have been having a couple of them, like making that nice volume. That seems to be staying there. I mean, like look at the video. We are printing higher.
Okay, so we've got a big pullback here. Well, we say big pullback. So right now, what is happening with SPY? We are 637, 636, 637, 636.
Oh my goodness, PLTR, what happened to you?
637, 636. Yeah, Thankville.
Yeah. I'm gonna take some.
Good morning, Blary.
Hello. I'm gonna take some shorts on PLTR.
Okay.
I jump off an order. Let's see if I ever get it. I have an order to get my partials on NVIDIA. I have to interrupt the show, so I took a little break there, and I wasn't sitting down here. So yeah, NVIDIA. I didn't took a partial, but like 83 is a good partial there. I just said it was wanting to go higher, so and I will keep it like that. So let's see how high it can go. Right now 82, 88. 182.88 is buying. So let's see if we get it. What else can we have? AMD probably. Those alarms are noisy. AMD, what are you wanting to do, my friend? That's a little cross there, but like quite low, but let's see if I can get any AMD. I'm going like little by little on the other names. Like NVIDIA is little too, but like I have even less. I am trying to get even less in the other names. And yeah, NVIDIA just going all the way down. It's okay. NVIDIA I think is gonna go back up. I probably should be adding there, but I don't want to be too stubborn about that. Apple is a little bit quiet today. It did get pop during the overnight,
Okay.
but it's still very quiet. And yeah. What are you trading right now?
Right now, QBTS. So Joby got me out with very, very little loss. And right now I'm trying to build my position back since
In
I was
QBTS?
in QBTS with the pullback because I took two partials. But with they don't want to see a certain number, and that's going to be 17.
So right now, SPY is tanking. I don't know if you saw that.
Yeah, I said that it's going through the 636. So right now, actually, if we're looking at the RSI and the past two volume candles, definitely we've seen on SPY a lot of sellers. So we still have 30 seconds for the next one, but right now it seems like, yeah. Okay, so now we are at 17 at QBTS, and do I want to add there? Definitely a battle, but those those big, lower numbers are a little bit further here. There's not a whole lot of participation, so we'll see. Let's read that level 2. And we'll see if I'm going to break even, because when it's going to hit 17, we're going to see a big reaction to the down or to the up. We're talking
like,
again QBTS.
Yeah, like I said, actually, price action that I'm looking at too.
Mm-hmm.
While we were talking, but I don't know. Like I kind of don't like. I don't like a little bit the fact that is the 400 moving average is above the 200.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a little bit bearish setup. And SPY is really tanking right now.
Yeah, and I took two. I took
so,
already two partial, so I have no problem saying bye-bye la. But I just want to see at 17, because if it loses 17 with, as you say, harassment, then bye-bye. But it could be a good place to add too.
So I changed my mind on AMD. If I am not gonna get the short, let me get the long. I think I want to get the short, and I think I'm right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hit it a little bit bigger than what I was willing to go long, but let's see. And what else? PLTR. Probably I want to do the same on PLTR. But PLTR I was already looking short, and it looks like a short. There is no reason for me to be looking long on PLTR. It's just probably my price. It might be a little bit wrong right now for the short on PLTR, because it's too far.
Okay.
Yeah, it is too far. So right now, so I have, I'm gonna get it right now. The short on PLTR,
Okay.
and if we get higher, it's just gonna go to the price I want originally, and then I will be having the size I want at that price. Oh, higher, higher. There we go. We got PLTR short. No big deal there. We are just trying to build a position, and
RSI on SPY seems to be building.
SPY. Yeah, I like the RSI.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Palantir. Go and get me. We got AMD.
Hey,
Oh la la, look at that entry.
for short?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Though I don't want to be too picky about it, we have to let it go if we have to let it go, but NVDA is printing higher as well. We're gonna get some partials very soon, probably, on the NVDA. So let's do a little bit of tape reading as I am having shorts and long at the same time. So I would like just to be aware of what I'm doing here. Nvidia, let's say shorts might be favorable because SPY is looking a little bit weak right now. Well, a little bit. It's looking very weak right now, SPY. But I have a long on NVDA that I have to keep up with. Let's see, where do you want to go, Nvidia? Nvidia, when we start the show, I have no idea what I want to do with Nvidia, But right now, like when it opened, it was clearly long. Like I mean, the question is like it was a loan that one of those loans that they really looks like that they can go farther. But like right now, it's not there anymore. So and I'm trying to see where is that point where Nvidia might reverse. I don't see anything, man. Anything. Like my target, my original target was 83.
83?
Yeah, but then like I am learning from you to look a little bit farther.
Okay.
And when I was targeting the 83, I saw the 84 building up.
Okay, yeah.
And
yeah.
I say, you know what? If the 84 is even bigger than the 83, I think we may go to the 84. But yeah, so
And what is it doing between?
oh, it's pumping up. It's I'm about to take a partial, but let's see. PLTR, I know it's pumping higher, but PLTR, I have another order to get some PLTR a little bit higher because I just didn't get the price I want right now. Yeah, I am trying to get kind of the resistance there. So NVDA still have the same on NVDA. Baby, la 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 la. So let's look at the AMD. Man, AMD, yeah, as I say, I probably am wrong on that one. I cannot see the ATR right now. La 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 la. Yeah, 90 cents. So it's about there. About there is a 1 ATR, so a little bit higher probably.
Let's go. Come on.
PLTR is it print very close to what I want to get, and it did, but it didn't get me. So
Okay. Okay. I'm going to put a shot clock on that. Thank you for hearing me. Whew. It was going me, 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 me,
QBTS?
me. Yeah, and I was going to say, yeah, no, I'm not going to lose my profit with you. So you need to go, and you need to go now, or I'm out. Not that I want to be impatient, but I'm expecting a little bit more from you here.
ooh, PLTR really pumping up after that.
Wow, eh? Very, 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 very rangy day for the indexes.
PLTR, you shouldn't be doing that, my guy. You shouldn't be doing that.
Okay, if you're thinking that and I'm thinking the same thing, something's gonna happen. Watch out. Okay. Yeah, we keep having offers that are higher. So, yeah. Let's go. You know you want the 18. And there you go. Oh, thank you.
You know what? NVIDIA is gonna give me the partial very soon.
I like that. You know what? I am going to very shortly be breaking even for you. And then I should almost take a partial and put it in and start looking at other opportunity.
So for AMD, I'm gonna add a little bit on AMD just to not regret it later. And if it keep pumping up, I'm I'm gonna walk away. So the line on the sound for me for AMD, ID right here, as you can see, and yeah, it was right here. Like I mean, I know SPY is pumping up and it's coming from
Crossing the VWAP, crossing the 50
yeah. So
EMA. But right now, the RSI is definitely looking different on SPY. And it actually, when you're looking at the volume candle, definitely looks like we're going to be having enough momentum from the buyers to be able to cross.
that's what I mean. Like by also looking a little bit different at the things like that point there for me is the reversal point for the like you see a SPY pumping up right there.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, a SPY should be going a little bit lower from there right now. It should whack, like let's say the 200 here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not expecting it to trade for long above the 200, like the green line here. And if he
For
does
SPY?
it, yeah, if he does it, I'm gonna be wrong.
I think you're going to be wrong.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what.
Oh, do you want to make it a little bit?
Okay, yeah, like let's say by the time that we finish the streaming,
Yeah.
SPY is gonna be below the green line,
Oh, well, okay. That's
636.50.
okay. That's big. That's a long period.
You don't agree, or how it works for you? How we make that works for you?
Well, right now,
Mm-hmm.
like you said, that what it was not going to.
SPY is gonna go lower. Is what I'm
Okay.
saying. And like my threshold for
I
that
agree
is,
with you.
is that green line.
Okay. The green line. Where's that? Your green line?
It's
Because
at,
my green line is 636.25.
my one is 636.52. So you agree with my statement. So I guess it makes no sense to bet on that.
Mm-hmm.
Baby. La, 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 la. Man, AMD, I have to read that paper. AMD, I'm gonna give it to the 72, which is it tried to print 72 right now,
Mm-hmm.
and it didn't want to bite the penny. Though I believe it wants to go higher. What is the relative volume on AMD? 185. Yeah, I consider myself wrong on AMD. That's for sure. So if I consider myself wrong on AMD, I should be getting it right there. But because it is a key point, I'm gonna leave it a little bit. I'm gonna see what it wants to do. I'm still like, Nvidia is compensating for everything, and we just got that partial from Nvidia.
Okay, numbers are coming up.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
There we go. Does that mean that I want to add to AMD? I'm not sure. Man, if it reacts to your tape, you do want to add. AMD, no, it's okay. Let's keep it like that. Let's keep it like that because that's the mistake I do. Because the ES is little, but I have many positions open, so I have to be nimble there. So NVDA coming back down.
Okay, so SPY is interacting again at the 636.
If the volume doesn't spike on NVDA, I'm gonna get out of that trade. It was good and it have been good, so
Something's big's gonna happen.
baby, baby. La 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 la. Okay, the problem with AMD is that is the one that is counter. Like I am doing counter trend on AMD, and that's why I probably shouldn't be adding. Like yes, there we go. It's gonna go higher, but like I think the party's finishing there. I think.
Okay, so month to month,
Mm-hmm.
0.2% previous, 0.2% forecast.
So it's better than expected. So
Yeah.
things should be rallying up. Wait for that's a real number.
Okay, 0.1% wholesale inventory, month over month, a little lower than expected of the. It's 0.1 month over month, lower than the 0.2 expected for wholesale inventory. So the sales, wholesale sales are
Mhm.
0.3 higher than expected of the 0.1%. So that's a little bit better. Apple's investing 100 billion.
In the country?
100, yeah.
Yeah, I hear the story too.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't hear the story of Apple. I hear the maneuver of how they do that, and yeah, it's okay. They give him his pacifier. Did you know that their buybacks count as the investment too?
No.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I
Me
learned
neither.
that. I learned that recently, and I said, "Oh, okay. Of course, they're gonna be investing." It's the volume, but it's like that. I don't want to go against that volume. In Nvidia, yes, for sure, but look at the volume on Nvidia and look at the volume on AMD. So they are really. And you see the result here. Like look, this flattening here and this spiking up. But yeah,
I made a mistake here. I was going to take a partial and I added to my position. I worsened my price. But I'm still in a good survival rate, but that's where I wanted to take my like
darn.
darn. Okay, so we've got a big pullback here from SPY.
As I say, that thing needs to go down. It doesn't need to, I know, but it's my belief. AMD, what are you doing, my guy?
Okay, the tape is flipping. Okay, so okay, so SPY, you did not make a lower low here. So definitely shows strength. That candle there is still displaying buyers. The volume seems to be wanting to go up, and we still have a good curl on the RSI. Come on. I'm going to put a shock gock on you. Okay, so we've got a the feds that are speaking right now, so not sure what that's going to do to the market, but
Yeah. So,
okay, 40's on deck, 1740's on deck for QBTS, so come
Okay.
on.
let's go one by one. AMD. What is your tape doing? Let's see. We have 72. That's an important point for me to sense the strength of it. So 96, 94, 96, printing 171, 94, 90, yeah, that tape is weak around there right now. So, but let's see. I know it's a crucial point. I don't want to convince myself of my own short. Let's see when the size comes in what we have.
Well said.
When the size comes in, we have a bunch of like really below the print. So
Okay, we got SPY going.
AMD is okay, man. I'm gonna leave AMD quiet. I am right, I think, and I'm gonna keep it like that. So that's AMD. NVIDIA. So what is NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA. What are you? This is the only one I am going long right now, and I'm debating if I have to be all out. 85, 87, 89, 90.
Okay, this is where you're going to go to 1750. Or if you don't go to 1750, bye-bye. I'm gone. Because really, you're taking way too long. Okay, so we found some buyers here. We've got an IRSI that seems to be doing well. Stop the consolidating. Let's go, grain of sense.
Yeah, Nvidia is it has some weakness too. It's rebidding right away after the. Yeah, at the 80s, I'm gonna get some little shares, and let's see if I survive the. Right there, just like let's add a little bit to Nvidia. So yeah, and then I think Nvidia is well, I think. Nvidia is looking way better than AMD. So AMD, let's see that tape. Yeah, that tape is very flushy on AMD.
40's on deck.
So PLTR, this is the one I probably. Okay, PLTR holding that.
Let's go.
So well. So let's see. The same thing. I mean, like that one, I probably
go.
can double it there.
You're there, 40. You're so there. Okay, so what are you going to do there? There's no way you're coming back down from there.
But the volume is kind of against me right there. So
40. Push it. Or as I would like to say, punch it.
QBTS, yeah, still holding that trend.
Well, it's still respecting my trend lines. Very nicely, too. Okay, enough to go to 50. Let me take my partial. You're killing me. $40's there. Okay, finally, 40. What are you going to do with 40? 42. Let's go. 45. I like the what I'm seeing. Come on, people.
Let's see, Andy, if you are really brave.
45. We got a good.
That's what you want to do.
I am
Here we
satisfied.
go. Money talk.
I got my.
Here comes the money, money, money.
My 750 on the partial. Woo! 1750. Okay, so now we got SPY just going not good. What are we trading? What are we trading?
I'm trading those AMD and BDA.
Ooh,
Uh,
counter trends.
Just in one in one of them, in two of them. But
SPY is just losing it.
yeah, but the rest of the things are not losing it. So
So what's feeding SPY? Okay, so it has to be lies.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Another portion like the PCL.
nice.
Okay, so what's going on with SPY? I want to check SPY a little bit there. I'm gonna break even on you. Yeah, I would survive. You're still not breaking trend. Okay, so I think it could have enough momentum. We will see. We will see. Enough momentum to get to 18, but it could take a long time because what? We're watching water boil here. Wow, NTC is still number one. I'm glad I'm not in
Still
that
trading like crap.
trade. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not in that trade. But you never know where it could get me because I still have an order. And when we're looking at the 1951 and 1950 on as buyers, we're talking almost 4,000 lot on my
Yeah.
NTC. So is it possible, especially with the news from Mr. T? Okay, AMD.
Yeah, AMD is gonna come in the money soon, and I'm okay with that. Like I able to hook to the trade and stay too. So
I like that. I like that.
that was the problem. I told you that it's a problem, but like we have to kind of solve that as we can. So I'm gonna be out of Nvidia very soon. I just that trade is done too. I like it.
Yeah, 172.50, we still have some people, of course, but they can change. And 172.20 could be a retest for AMD. Yeah, that's a top. Good
Yeah.
job on AMD. Mm-hmm.
I just gonna have an order to be all out on NVIDIA. Probably I should do it manually because I don't wanna be there when he puked down.
You're long?
Yeah, in NVIDIA.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? It's better than a loss. Like it's still.
Nicely done.
Here we go.
I don't believe in that trade anymore, so
Here comes the
why do I
money,
stay?
money, money, money.
AMD still not doing good, but this thing needs to come down all the way down. Might be the most profitable one of the day. We're gonna see. The one I'm like really stubborn about is PLTR, and I had to take more time to figure it out. But like,
Okay, well, QBTS is breaking the trend. I'm breaking even.
yeah, I'm gonna have to be out of PLTR. That was a mistake. I mean, it was a mistake that I stayed so long on it.
Was it?
Yeah. AMD, I, as I said, I think I know what I'm doing on AMD, so I still believe on AMD. But yeah.
the hell's happening in PLDR, right?
Yeah,
It's a super strength.
well, everything seems to be very strong. I don't know, like in AMD, I know, like right now it's like this is a typical setup where it will try to hold the moving average, but then it will come back to the 50. So in that one, I'm gonna be patient because like I just think it's done with the volume. But PLTR, like the strength came out of I don't know where. Like I know we across everything here and it just manifests itself, but it wasn't looking like that.
Mm-mm. Because you're right. It does look, things look strong, but it has to be. We've got something feeding it. Where is Tesla? Okay, so Apple's not feeding it because Apple's pretty
Tesla,
much.
either Tesla is flat.
So Apple's pretty much the same.
Oh yeah, PLTR. Now I sold you. Now you're gonna go down.
Well, if it goes through there, the trend is broken. So we'll see how much it's going to go through there. Are you laughing at me?
No, I'm laughing at the fact that it will come down exactly when I came out. So
Oh,
the usual thing that have 3 days on the road happening. So didn't get you.
Hmm?
Didn't get you.
Doing very well. Okay.
AMD is squeezing up.
$172.50. That's going to be, yeah, that's what I thought. So 172.20, 172.50. That's going to be retested, but do we have enough? What's the print saying when it's going to get to 172.50? Oh boy. Okay, the MACDs are crossing 60. Oof. That was a big pop, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to reprint 50 or you reprint 60? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah. No, it's not my trade. It's yours. I'm looking at you. The print and what it's doing. That's okay. I like what. Ooh, the deep is definitely populating. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. It's going to consolidate for a little bit, I think. 172.20. Between 172.20 and 172.50. Oh. MACD's, what you doing? Wow, that position, there seems to be a lot of population happening between 172.50 and 173 on AMD.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it?
Yeah. But the print is weak. The print is so weak that
I know.
it is
I
gapping
see
down.
it, right? 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 5 5 5 2. You're right. There's not big lots happening. And that's why I thought that it was going to consolidate between those two levels because of the print. 172.20 to 172.50. It should be there for a couple of candles, at least, and see what's going to happen. I like what you're doing, QBTS. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you. Okay, do I take another one of the PCL? What's happening there? I wasn't watching you. Okay, 1750. I could take another partial. Do I want to be disciplined or I want to take a chance? Oh yeah, you've got enough momentum. You're going to 80. Okay.
Okay, let's keep it simple.
Hands on the wheel. The wheel on the bus goes round and round,
Round and around.
round and round. Let's go. We've got 60 here.
Yeah, I know it have been intense the AMD, but that tape is looking crappy as I don't want to say.
Yeah, it's weak. I agree with
Yeah,
you.
so
Okay.
gonna follow my instinct, and my instinct say that this tape is saying that the thing is gonna go down.
You're not reprinting. Are you kidding me? You're reprinting the... Oh, you're making me regret not taking a partial.
What about Embiid?
Okay, so
Embiid
now we're
again?
going critical. We're getting to a critical point, and on SPY... Okay, so SPY 633.50. Critical point. The sellers are in control right now. Okay, okay, don't make me regret it. Let's go. Okay, printing 60s on decks. Going through, are you going to reprint SPY 633.50? $62s on decks for QBTS. Okay, so now we've got the RSI that's to the floor on SPY as it gets really, really close to the PCL. Okay, printing 1760 again. You just wanted to smoke people out, you booger. Booger, booger, booger.
Booga booga booga.
Booga, 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 booga. Okay, I like that SPY, though it did go through reprinting, and we found some buyers there for people that are in long.
Yeah, but the SPY is like
It's so weak.
straight down.
So weak right
So
now.
I want to bet now because it was not in 11:30 yet, but
Okay, what bet do we want to do?
no, the one we made that I say it was going to stay below the green line. Look at that green line hanging up in there, and a SPY taking a dive.
So you're talking, give me a number.
No, I gave you that number. It
No,
was,
but what is it again?
It was 636, 636 and 52. That was the number I gave you before. But
Okay.
you say no because you were agreeing to.
636.52. that this here is going to be.
We're gonna finish the streaming and it's gonna still be below there.
Let's go.
So the only thing I regret is to not add more to AMD. But it's okay because it was my plan, so to not add more in there. But at the 72, to not add at the 72, that was a mistake. You will see.
Okay.
And the tape is just looking bad, man, like bad. And you have Nvidia printing lower low, while like yeah.
So you're saying by the time we finish the streaming, SPY.
It's still gonna be below 636.52.
Okay, I'll look on the tape. I just want to look here. It's critical. Okay, no, we still have enough participation. RSI is still good. Our MACD is still good. Our volume is still good. Yeah, you're going to 1780 and give me my partial. Okay, so now let's look at SPY. Oh, you're getting there. Okay. Come on. Give me my partial.
AMD, I got you.
You cannot make me regret that. There you go. 75's on deck.
I just had 10% more there, like
Oh.
to the short, like. Let's see why not.
80's on deck. And there we go. Thank you.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Okay, so let's break even on that one because do we have enough momentum? Let me see. Okay, if the tape maintains, my next partial's at 18. We've got a good separations of the MACDs. We've got a nice RSI. The volume candles are totally buying. And we've got the participation to 18. Oh my God, it's going there now. Okay. Jeez Louise.
Jeez, Luis.
Jeez Louise, Davy. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa, amigo? ¿Qué pasa? Huh?
Okay, 91's on deck. Let's go. Push it. Push it good. Da-na-na-na-na.
Do you have a good story to tell me? No. Man.
Do I have a good story?
Una piedra en el camino, vence lo que es mi destino.
Okay, let's do a bet on SPY. Okay, SPY, tell me what you want to do. 63363. Okay, 63363. Are you kidding me? Oh, yoy. Okay, so what do you look at, like at the PCL? And this stack is where 635. So you said it's 636, okay? No, no, that's not the stack. 636. Okay, so it could be that we're going to get yeah. Okay, so are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So I take your bet. So by the time we finish, for me,
What do you say?
well, my green line is 636.25.
So you say that it's gonna be above or below?
Above 636.25, my green line.
636.25.
25. So it's 25 cents or 30 cents from you.
So you say when by the time we finish the show at 11:30, it's gonna be above the line.
Correct. Are you taking the bet?
Hell yeah, it's not gonna get there.
Hey, Pinky.
Pinky, yeah, Pinky, like Pinky promise.
Yeah.
It's no. I
It's
say
like-
it's
it's
not
like
gonna
a-
get there at
Yeah.
all.
And I say that it's going to be above. It's going to get to 626 and my green line 626.25.
No way, Jose.
Okay, me gusta.
Ay, ay, ay.
Let's put a 6 on me. You're not kidding,
6 against 2.
Mm-hmm.
Potentially, yeah, man. Like it might
No,
be,
6
it might-
against 1.
You don't have 6 now. You have 5.
Yeah,
So if you win, you're gonna have 6. If I win, I'm gonna have 2.
yeah.
So it's 6
Yeah.
against 2. It's
See.
not. Or if you
Oh,
wanna
the
keep it now,
final.
it's 5
The
against
final.
1.
The final result, I get you. Yeah. Oh,
Ay,
for sure.
papi.
Yeah, because, yeah, no.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get there. Spice a little bit too weak to get there, and it doesn't seem to be enjoying the volume either. So work it out, my guy. You have to come down from there. It's like AMD. Somebody show up at the ask heavily. Yeah, 58. Yeah, it's gonna drop still. Like,
And what's the ask?
the ask, I don't see at what price they were. I think they were at 171.50 if I'm not mistaken.
That's NVIDIA, right?
Look at you. Yeah, this is the one I need to look at. My bad. Of course it looks like that.
Okay, so now you're gonna. So now Spy's consolidating a bit, but we do have big volume buyers for Spy. If you're looking at the volume candles, but we are consolidating at that important level, and that was actually put there for sure this morning at the training before the market opened. Okay, really? Do you really want to reprint that? If you're reprinting, yeah, no. Okay, tape has changed. I'm gone.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yes, I'm not staying in there. I'm keeping my cash. Beautiful trade for that one. Oh God, I'm so happy I got out of that trade. Should I ride to the low? No, 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 no. Okay. You still AMD?
Yeah.
Let's look at your AMD. Yeah. Where's 170? Oh, okay. Be careful what's
You
going.
see?
Yeah. Be careful what's going to happen at the VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because of its sizes.
Mm-hmm. So at the VWAP, almost exactly at the V, right between the anchor and the VWAP, right there at 170.30, a big buyer, and it's the biggest one there. On
What price is that?
okay, 170.30, and that's at the VWAP. And then there's
The
one. that-
VWAP is 7016.
Okay, I've got in what. So right now, right
The
between the
VWAP
two.
is the same.
No.
Yeah, you are looking at the 1 minute. There is still a distortion in the 1 minute, but look at the 5 minute.
Okay, I'm not. But right
But-
now,
but-
this is what.
yeah,
So
but-
right now, these people are looking at this one, and right there, there's a big, at 170.30. There's a big one, and he's building. So that could create a VWAP bounce. I'm just saying. Just to be aware.
Okay. No. Yeah.
And then you've got
You
another
remember
one.
that you and I have the VWAPs invert? That's the overnight VWAP. And the one
They're right between
no,
between the two.
give
Like-
me that.
See,
If you are not trading, give me your mouse.
I like.
35. That's at 35, and you will see the other. Where you have them invert to my color. That's the one I did. 18. That's the real VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
So if you move your line, now it's supposed to match mine. Yeah, it match mine.
Okay.
So
But what
your
I'm saying
real
is
VWAP
the positions that are
Mhm.
between the two.
Yeah,
Either the
okay.
anchor or the regular VWAP. It doesn't change that the order's there, right? No?
I don't know. I do not know.
Thank you, Davy, for changing my and getting my numbers on the side.
Remember to save it.
Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay, so who are Hmm. Hmm. Holy, on NVIDIA, there's a position that's just.
At what price?
So we've got 183 that's got a significant stack at 183. But the worst of it is that then there's continuancy to 183.50. Again, we've got two 184, 184.50 and 185. So there's a possibility for NVIDIA to bounce that view up. Let me do some trend line here. See what we can see. Okay, so this is from there. Hmm. Hmm. Holy, is the tape populating there? I almost want to take it.
Yeah, like I believe it was a good goal in BDA, but
Mm-hmm. What's that dot there? On Nigeria, A184. Okay. Yeah, so definitely. Ooh, geez Louise. Is it ever populating? What the heck is going on with you? NVIDIA. Oh, yeah, yeah. Do I want to? Do I want to? Do I want to? That's about the view. Yeah, let's go spy. I wanna win another one.
another one.
Another one. Okay, 182. Okay, so let's put you at 182. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Not even close to being interesting. Where are you, Tesla? Did you see Tesla? Is that ugly or what?
Hey, after the day he had yesterday, that's beautiful. Because it is holding the big push up yesterday, so I like it. I would take it. It's not like a good day
No,
trade.
for a day trade, like that would suck.
Look at your spy.
Oh, looks like Davy could win this one. Not a chance.
That's the attitude. And do I hate this trade on the AMD right now?
So slow and consolidating.
Yeah. And like I don't have a better candidate. I think if I do have a better candidate, like, and I will look for it while it's just going around. If I have a better candidate, I'm just gonna take a better candidate with INTC. I don't like that tape. Novobru whiskey.
Hmm?
I see NVO, and I just remember The guy at a car laugh at me when I say Nouveau Brun whiskey because it's
That
like
he was there?
Nouveau Brunswick. I think you say. How you say that?
New Brunswick?
New Brunswick. Yeah, and I say Nouveau Brun whiskey.
Novo the whiskey?
Nouveau Brun whiskey. They're like, what? How you say that? So what is the point?
Like, I do not want you to cross that field. I know that you wicked it there, but we found a lot of buyers. So you need to keep climbing, or I am babaila.
Get down from there, AMD. Get down.
Get up. Get on up. Get there.
Like I know you went up in 173, and what?
Okay, retest the 83. I want to see how you're going to behave at the 83. There you go, maintaining the 80. Da-da-da. '85's on deck, 90's on deck. Let's go. Retest 83. 183. If you cross it, I'll be one. Reprint 80, come on.
Yeah, you're gonna be.
Reprint 50 quickly because I've got my finger on the button. Okay, you've reprinted 50. Not sure it was quick enough there. 65. There goes 65. Is that enough to go through? We've got 60, we've got 50.
Okay, I'm gonna take another read of the tape on that AMD. And like as I say, I'm losing my patience here. I'm probably gonna do something else. I'm not feeling that happy with this trade. And like 172 right now, 172. Like we have a 92 cents ATR. So like this thing can really go to 73 before going to my target. But yeah, that's why I am running out of patience in this one. So the tape is just still dropping like hell. Like so, what
I
are you
went out.
trading?
Of Nvidia. I don't want to lose more than I've got there. I'm going to wait to the 182. Okay, so spies at the PCL. Can we have a break?
Yeah, we're gonna take a little break. Alright, we are back. This AMD man, like I can tell you, it's testing my patience at a level that
You saw the position at 172.50?
yeah, like and did you see the one at 173?
The issue is, as AMD, you don't see everything, all the orders at all when they're there. I'm gonna put 171 because she's got a position at 171 at 94. Actually, no, 171 is 150, and that's the local low at 10:30 around. So
It will bounce until it doesn't bounce anymore, you know?
good decision.
Or being out of that, yeah. So I'd say, yeah, like if it's obvious, like, it's just because I remember saying that the 400 was on top of the 200.
Mm-hmm. And you said, I don't know, Marie. Well, something's going to happen at 181 for PLTR.
What does it have there?
250 locked.
Nice.
And then there's 180 that's got a huge one. And we've got 179 as well. That's built in. So, which is below the PCL that I would be very surprised. Offer is being pulled on PLTR on both tapes. Okay.
So how was your training today? Well, very boring as hell.
A lot of stocks were between levels, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Spy, did you find your bottom there? I really like those volume candles that are being printed from Spy.
Did you see your PLTR?
¿Dónde está? Ah! Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very cool price action there. Okay, what are you doing? 43. Okay, 50. That's not good.
No, that's worth it. That's not worth it. Though. we'll see how you're going to react there, but I think I could be interested. I'm looking for my hold. Are you looking for an opportunity to hold?
No, not really. I think I'm just gonna try to be out of this trade. I think it has been enough, and yeah. As I say, why would I keep holding this? Like I know, like
It's going to go to 173, Davey.
yeah, like and 173. Like if I get out here, I will be trying to get back at 173.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, it's like running out of steam. Like I mean, it doesn't look like if you want to go to 173. Like look at the 172.50 right there. They whatever sizes they are selling at the 50, they are not really like look at the tape.
No, it's got now.
yeah.
Yeah, it will go to 173. In 25 seconds, it needs to be above 60. And it won't be. 15. Oh, maybe it will be. Okay, 60's on deck. 10 seconds. 60's on deck again. Okay. No, it didn't get to. Yep, so the candle died and it did not get above 60. What a consolidation period, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Flush. $50's on deck again. Yeah, that's gonna go to 73. Dang. It's so funny though, because we have a lot of sellers on AMD.
Oh yeah, like especially at the 50.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. Wow, did the tape go kaboom on that one? It didn't take much, eh? Sellers dropped just a little bit there, got filled at the 50, we lost our sellers, and then it went kaboom. Okay, so at 80, that's another important level. What is it going to do? Wow, 80 and then printed 6 right about immediately. So 173 on deck. What are you going to do?
I'm out of it.
Okay. Okay. We've cleaned the deck. There's no
Yeah.
more on there. There's just no more. Orders.
Yeah, you should go nowhere, my guy.
Hmm?
It should go nowhere.
I think I believe you.
So I reshorted at 173.50.
AMD?
Yeah, AMD.
Wow.
That thing, in my opinion, have to break the view up.
Depends what the grain and sands are going to do, because
Yeah, now I
174.
see how they are jumping on right there,
Yeah.
and right before the 174.
Exactly. And look at 174. How big is it?
Well,
That's
like,
so that could repel, but the participation to get to there is so nice. We've got a good RSI, and we definitely have a good separation of MACDs. What I don't like is if you look at that candle on that pop, look at the volume candles of the buyers right there.
yeah, but they done it twice. If you erase that one, you had the previous one that was doing the same
Mm-hmm.
with a bunch of seller on it. So, like, I think the last one, that one,
Mm-hmm.
put enough damage that now, like, but like the volume is solid. That's something that matter. That the volume is spiking
Mhm.
up. So
SPY's consolidating right now around the PCL. Not doing much. So I'm going to be looking. I think you've got big.
look at the 74.
You got big balls shorting AMD, but hey, I like it.
No,
I would go 174.
Yeah, like 174 now looking better, but I will be expecting 74 to not get filled.
Okay. So what tells you that?
The time, the volume, the damage that was put it at 172 or 172.50, however you wanna look at it. I think it was 172.50 the one. And the way that the tape is printing is like no good. But Nvidia is making higher high as well. So, oh, that's Palantir. Yeah, that's Palantir. Yeah, Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia gave everything away.
Mm-hmm.
Notice that above the 175, it's not printing like more than 10 cents most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
Now it did it hear me and it print 20 cents above. So it's like, ay, ay, ay.
I know. It depends what the green sands are doing, eh? How are they watching that stock? 22 to 22.50? Yeah, no. That's not enough. Not enough. Oh, wow. Check this out, Diddy. Look at those lines.
Yeah, I like the 4690.
Super, super, super clean. Okay. But, you're gone without me. I'm gonna leave without me.
Okay, now I print 74.
Okay.
And now what?
Nice.
Why do I have a line on 75?
So did you find anything that you will hold?
No.
Okay, so hood is definitely a double, triple, quadruple top. I don't want to hold the short overnight, so I'm walking away. Very strong hood, very strong.
What the heck are you doing, my guy?
No. Okay, so I've got 3 trades, 3 orders that I'm gonna be putting.
Are you gonna even open?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got 3 overnight. So I've got BBAI, Ionic, and INTC. Obviously, Ionic is very, 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 very
Risky.
risky, so very, very little trade. But BBAI and INTC, like INTC, I've been putting it in every day this week at 1950. Guess what? Never got there. So, but today it seems like it's got enough momentum to. Okay, let's go SPY. SPY's retesting. Hey, that's okay. I've got 5 minutes. I've got another
11
10
minutes.
Yeah, I got 10 minutes right now for SPY to jump 5. No problem.
Spike can do that, right? You know?
No. He says, looks like Davey's gonna win this one. Why do we have an NVO there? That's just crazy. It's like it's so high in our volume, and it's so high in volume, and
But-
it's doing.
Your question is why you have that line there? Or you
No,
put it in-
That line I've put that there at the beginning of the week,
Okay.
and it's still respecting that 48 very, very well. But what I'm questioning. It's got high RVOL, and it's got high volume. So usually we got a little bit of movement there, but nothing. Oh, wow. Like not even a dollar move.
AMD, give me a break. Like, what the heck happens to AMD? Like,
Look at the position of 176.
I know.
It's insane. Eh? It got you out?
No, but like, well, it got me out with a big loss like before, but like, I reshort the 75 because it makes sense. But I am answering myself while I am doing this mistake because like the R ball keep spiking while the stock is going higher, so I am just being hard-headed probably. So
Yeah, because we've got 175, 71 now building, David.
so that's gonna be my last shot. Hood is in the move as well.
That's what I was telling you earlier. It's got strong strength, but I feel a top there, so I don't like it. Look at Hoover, just bouncing from there for no reason. Look at you, Unity, huh?
And Tesla here and they're like doing nothing yet, but
Wow, Unity bouncing from that 30 so beautifully. Where are you going though?
Yeah.
PLTR.
Yeah, I had it here. I actually don't have
184.
yeah, like looking at higher high.
Yeah, 184. Let me put that right just for today, but
I'm gonna give it like this name 180R for my entry. If it does get there, I'm gonna be out and I'm gonna be done for the day. AMD, like it's
well, and I'll
ridiculous.
do. It's hard. It's rare that we're gonna see a stock like AMD not be correlated, right?
Yeah, but it's correlated with what in this case.
It's not.
It's not, yeah, exactly.
That's what I mean. But it's rare that we see AMD not at all being correlated with the indexes. So the indexes have been flushing and flushing now since what? Quarter to 10.
Yeah, but at the same time, like for example, and I don't know like if this is coming from the indexes or from where, but like every time that you and I have been looking at the tape, what you and I have been saying, like what is the most common thing? Like that thing is selling like crap. Like for example, yes, the chart is pumping up, but you look at the tape for a couple minutes and you will see like for example right now, let's do a little bit of tape reading there. We are printing 74 with the cents like 65, 63. And like now we have a little bit heavier bid than ask. We are at the bid, we are printing 71, 68, a bunch of white print, and then we gap down 20 cents. 20 cents gap down. And I have been doing that from the whole morning. Like, I mean, whoever is buying this is like you just pushing it against the whole grain, but like, he have enough money to do that, which is sweet for him. But like, dang, 52. Like now we came from 78.78 to 52, 54. Heavy offer right now at 53. So 54, printing 56 at the bid, dropping another 10 cents. Like then you go back right away to the, but then you come back down right away too. So like, yeah, now another 5 cents. So why would I be looking long on a name that is looking that crappy? Like I mean, yes, like
Because
yeah. Like I remember, I said that long ago. I don't know if it's what you are going to say, but what I was going to say is that whenever you like for example the tape, we can see the clear evidence of this selling, but because there is somebody buying that is hitting and keep pushing it against it, you may want to go with the other side. But it's
So
also
right
imply
now, just
a
so
bigger
that you-
risk.
So that just said, we didn't see anything on the tape. At 174.30,
Mm-hmm.
we just saw two $6,000. So
Lots.
6,000, two 6,000 lot.
At what
Just
price?
174.30
At the bid or at the ask?
at the offer. Ask.
Okay. Well, but that's brutal. Like I mean, it should keep going down.
Yeah, and it is
Yeah, but
just slow. Because like you say, buyers keep showing up.
from the time that I say like let's read the tape, like let's read the print, it's just
just
50
keep
cents
showing
below. And now it's 20 cents a little bit higher, like let's say 45, 47. We want to see when the size coming, like when the size at the bid or at the ask coming. Like we have a bunch of white print right now, and then what happened with the bid, let's say, which was a little bit heavier, it is dropping, like heavy print, heavy middle print, then it increased. So like now I am confused, but like for a little bit, but like the overall thing is assured. So 34, 30, there we go. 20, like you see, we go little by little, 1 cent, 2 cents, and then we go down 20 cents, then 10 cents more. Like it's like, how would you manage your risk on that thing if you are looking long? In this case, I just did put an ATR stop loss there. If you get me, and it's gonna be
Okay,
good, but-
the bid is being pulled on AMD.
the big mistake I did. I had too much at some point, but like that, I'm gonna have to solve it somehow. Like whenever I like look, we are literally almost almost done. We are literally $1 from the time I start reading the tape. Like
It got you.
yeah, I blocked and he blocked me in that stock.
Damn.
I have to remember. I have to take partial. That's because I didn't take partial.
Damn.
I think I'm removing the block. Let's see. Yeah, I'm blocked because of you didn't take partial. So I can take another thing. So PLTR was the other one that was super high.
That was a good one though, eh?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
repeat a bit.
Yeah, for sure. But
Did you want the review or?
yeah, I'm just gonna shoot PLTR right here and
So what, you're going short at 184?
mm-hmm.
Did you see 185?
Yes, I saw it right now. It wasn't there at the 85. Just show up.
With the front runner at
Mhm.
184.95?
But that should be okay. Let's see. What is the ATR on PLTR?
Hey, Davey,
Yes.
you won your bet.
Yeah, this time you put it easy, so maybe it was intentionally, but it's okay.
No. No.
Well,
I
we
don't-
know, like a spy can do very crazy things
Hey,
eventually.
you never know, right? So you put in your order or you're already in the trade?
I put in the
You
order.
put in your order at 184 to get.
Yeah, I am front running it by 3 cents because it seems to be no wanting to go there. So
That shouldn't be.
like it doesn't seem like if he wants to print the 84.
Yeah, I will print it. Want to bet?
Look how it's flushing. I'm gonna keep my win today, so let's keep it like that. So so yeah, let's wrap it up basically. And as Marie say, yeah, it should be good there. So that order probably I like to probably have a better candidate, but like Hood probably at 113.
INTC, you're driving me crazy. No matter what, it's ever gonna get me. I don't have a trade right now, but I've got it in 1950.
Yeah, you have an order open, I guess.
Yeah, I've got 3 orders open. I've got BBAI
Mm-hmm.
at 639. I've got Ionic at 3850, and I've got INTC in 1950.
Nice.
And we'll see.
So okay, I have PLTR. I have an order on PLTR to go short. So basically here, like this trade was one trade that I let it go too far. So it was very little shares. So that was okay because of that. But yeah, I let it go too far. So I could be out way before without having to fight it too much. And yeah. You know, I'm gonna get half of the PLTR instead. I'm gonna get it now. The PLTR half. PLTR. Yeah, I got half of PLTR there, and if you pop up, I'm gonna add.
Okay.
So yeah, yeah. So basically, as I said, this was a trade that I let go way too high, and yeah, it was with little shares. So then I trade in BB, and that was a good trade. So I went short. That didn't work. Then I went long, and that worked good. I partial here, came all the way out. I know I add little here, and then I came all the way out here. Yeah, that was a green trade, but yeah. So what else did I do? AMD, that was my nemesis today. So this thing just keep like, and this was a good trade here, but like still like,
It was.
Yeah,
It was
it-
slow, but it was good.
yeah, but it was like, yeah, but then I didn't took partial here. I forgot about that I have to be taking partial, and like, hey, get me out with good profit, but it blocked the stock. I cannot trade it anymore today. So, but that was 5%, 5%, 10%, 10%, double, big lost. Then full size, big lost. And then full size, good
It
profit,
worked.
but still mediocre trade there. So, yeah. So we're gonna keep working on those things. As I say, I have to make sure that I don't add too much, because that's what is not working good. Like in AMD, if I didn't add here and here, if I don't go full size, it was okay. But like I am memorizing that thing from Maria on the tape, because I think she's right. Like for example, right now, let's say like if we look at AMD, yeah, like now the tape is just, there is nobody there, so AMD little by little may keep dripping down, but we're gonna see. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for me. Like a red day, big red day. So if I end green, I doubt it, but like let's see what it wants to do. Like if PLTR go to 83, I'm gonna add, as I say, but I don't have big expectations right now. I just have to MacGyver or whatever I need to do. And like, yeah. So, what about you, Marie?
Well, I had two big surprises this morning, which was nice, right? So I put 3 orders last night. Yesterday when we closed off. So I put in BBAI, and BBAI I put it in at 650. And what happened is I woke up this morning. I came in to the trade, and it was I had a little bit of a profit. I did not like the consolidation that was happening right there. So what I did is I looked at the tape. I didn't like what I was seeing, so I got out with the profit before the open.
Like, yeah, she came out, like she got the trade overnight, so she came out
At 6
before the flush around.
Yeah,
there.
before the flush, exactly, at 683. So I'm glad I did. Now I've got one to stay that I want to put in again overnight. And this one here is going to be a little bit lower. So I put in my order at 639, which is the biggest lot. Really, we've got a double there. I should keep it at 650 and survive it to 640. I am being very aggressive right now with BBAI to think that it's going to go to 630, 639. But hey, that's my order, because 650 is really heavy, and it is a right now an historical level of support at 650. But you know what? With the momentum that it's doing right now, I'm going to keep my 639 for overnight. So the other one that I had overnight was my SMCI.
SMCI.
So SMCI was a beautiful overnight for SMCI. So I had taken, holy cannoli, was that good. So I can't even see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it doesn't hold the overnight.
Oh,
time.
okay, it doesn't show. Okay. So I'm almost sure that what I did yesterday is I took SMCI at 46.50 yesterday, and I got out of it at it was 45.50. I took it, and this morning I got out at 47.50. So that was a $2 overnight for SMCI. That was a huge profit. That was a good one. So what I did though is I traded QBTS today, which was great. So QBTS, I came in at 1680. I took my profit at my first partial at 1750. Then I took my other partial at 1780. If we remember correctly, it took a while. I want my 1780. So then it pulled back to the VWAP. I added at the VWAP. Then I added again at the opening at 7. I de-risked. I actually got out completely at 1685. I went back in when I saw the volume at the VWAP. I took a partial at 750. I took a double partial there because I didn't like what the tape was doing. I took a double partial at 775, 750. It pulled back close to the VWAP. I took my third partial at 1787. Came out completely of the position at 1765. That was a really good trade. I took one stab at NVIDIA today as well. NVIDIA was, when I saw it there, long at 182.
NVIDIA was tricky a bit too.
Yeah, absolutely. So NVIDIA, I took it long there when I saw a trend line at 182.90. And I got at them at just the risk that I wanted. My stop loss that was placed there didn't add, didn't move, and I gave it one shot, and that was it. And I walked away, and yeah, that was it. So now I've got my 3 trades tonight. Is BBAI at 639. At 639, we've got a law and 640. Between the two, we've got almost 4,100 as a lot. So. And that should be enough to bring it back there. I'm still maintaining my Ionic at 38.50 right now. 39 is the biggest position, but we've got a beautiful level there of support. I am going to stay at there because Ionic, we know, is very risky. And then we've got INTC that is at 1950.
It's funny because for swing I don't see it as risky, Ionic. Like for day trading, yes. Like I am not able to read it as good.
Oh,
but
I like it, what you're saying.
for swing I don't see it that risky.
Okay,
It's,
so right now we've got 1950 for INTC. It has not been getting me at 1950. Yesterday I didn't put it in. I wish I did because I would have gotten it there. I would have had a nice dollar pop this morning when I woke up, but I did not. Yesterday, that was not one that was interesting to me. So today it is interesting to me, but I think in 1950 is a little bit when I'm looking at the positions that we've got at 19, I'm thinking I should de-risk because that would be a big loss for me. So I am going to split the 1950 with a smaller order, and if it goes, I'm going to add a little bit more. So I'm going to de-risk my 1950.
Cool. Very cool. And so that's it for today. I won a bet today, so I'm gonna.
Yeah, you
my
did.
bet. As I say, I don't know if she let me win or not, but like.
Hey, come on now.
Like, I find that was an easy one, and I tried to put it even harder at some point, but like, she came late to the bet and she still agreed to it, so it's okay. So, that's it for today. We're gonna be here tomorrow, every day. So we are. Doing this. So if you are around there, feel free to check our channel. Like, we're gonna be here tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.